fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for MetaMask. Now for those people who do not know MetaMask, MetaMask is an Ethereum based crypto wallet which is used to store your cryptocurrency. And I said Ethereum based, but it uses Ethereum network to transfer in and transfer out crypto. So just keep that in mind. And it's really safe and secure as well. And you guys can easily download it from your Play Store and App Store, as well as there's a version of MetaMask for your extension as well to be used as extension wallet. Alright. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment and let me show you guys how you guys can sign up for MetaMask. So the first step is download MetaMask from your Play Store or App Store and open it. And after opening it, what you want to do is click on versus get started over here. Now once you do that, click on versus create a new wallet. And once you do that, enter a password for your MetaMask account. So I'm going to do that. And after doing that, agree to its terms and service by ticking mark this button over here. And then click on versus create passport. Once you do that, a passport for your Trust Wallet account will be created. And once you do that, wait for some time and click on remind me later. So this basically means a 12-word recovery phrase. So if you want an extra layer of security for your MetaMask wallet, you can turn on the security phrase. But if you don't want it, then just click on remind me later and then click on I understand and click on skip. Once you do that, click on I agree and the Trust Wallet account should be created. So yeah, that's how you guys can sign up for Trust Wallet. Hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.